Hi guys, good morning. Welcome to another Moravilla exclusive listing. Coming in. Oh my gosh, I'm still in my pajamas. Now that I'm ready, let me show you around this amazing property. Come with me. Welcome to 930 San Nicolas Avenue, apartment number 67, located in Washington Heights. This apartment has 2 bedrooms with French doors leading to the master bedroom, kitchen with a view to the living room, and a vintage freestanding bathtub. One of the most amazing things that I like about this kitchen is that it's very bright. I'm a natural light person and I love how the sun comes in through the window and it hits on the kitchen. I also love the counter. A lot of us right now are working from home, so this gives you the flexibility that while you're cooking dinner or you're cooking lunch, you can get your computer and you can get all your work done while you're cooking. I love the tiles, they're very beautiful. I like the color. I like the color combination with the cabinets. I think that it enhances a lot the style of the kitchen. And who doesn't like having the washing machine and the dryer right in your kitchen? It makes life so much easier when you're cooking and you're doing your dishes, you're doing your laundry. The best part about this kitchen for me is the open dinette, because it gives you the flexibility of while you are cooking and you're entertaining your guests, that you're cooking and you can see your guests and you can speak to your guests and you're not ignoring your guests. And this is the master bedroom. And this is also one of my favorite parts, and it's because it has a French door, and I'm crazy about French doors. I like the view. The view is also my favorite because it's right across the street from a park, which gives you this beautiful scenery in the summertime and this beautiful snow scenery in the winter. Another part of this property that I loved the most when I saw it was the living room. I'm all about being near the kitchen. As I said before, I'm a kitchen person. I like the light that comes in from the windows from the bedroom. I love that it has the French doors. It also gives the living room that hint of elegance. You will be steps away from the train station, which makes it so convenient to travel around New York City. Walk around the neighborhood where there's tons of stores and a view to the Yankee Stadium, which is just a walk away across the bridge. Enjoy a private patio with a garden where tenants can enjoy and relax with ease.